We are looking at Azure Front Door, and it's time to take a closer look at the origin component. So the origin is what Azure Front Door will point at to serve up to the end user, and origin is the endpoint that points to your backend. So here's the example of the form of the information you'll need to fill out. And the most important field here is the origin type, because that is what's going to say what are the supported backends or supported origin. So here we have Azure Blob Storage, Azure Storage for static website hosting, cloud service. Yes, there is a Azure service called Azure Cloud Service. I cannot remember what it does, but it is a service. We have Azure App Services. That's a place where we commonly deploy apps. Static web app, API management, application gateway, public IP address. So that would just be pointing to an IP, not necessarily a service. Azure Traffic Manager, Azure Spring Cloud. Spring Cloud is for Java applications, I believe. Azure Container Instances, so ACI, or custom, so you just provide a host name. Two other fields that are very important for origin is the priority and the wait. So priority determines who to send traffic to first, and this is going to be a number between 1 and 5. The lowest number is the higher priority. Backends can have the same priority number. For waits, this allows you to determine the split of traffic distribution between origins of the same priority. So if you had a priority 1 and somebody was 50-50, then they'd get 50-50 split between them. This number can be between 1 to 1,000. The default value is 50. And this is what it looks like when you add an origin to an origin group. So you can see the status is enabled. The priority is 1. The wait is 1,000. But there you go.